Hey, it's CNA Outdoors, and we're going to start this video off by starting this John Deere 4630. Hasn't been running for like 5 months, so we'll see how it turns out. Ooh. Does not like it. She's running good now. Let it run for a little bit. Yeah. All right. Let's get this. Look at this. Pretty gosh darn muddy out here. Well, maybe. Oh, two-handed job. Can't record. Dang it. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about it. But I get this put back together. I put these away so we have a spot for the Ranger now. We might wash it up. It's not that dirty yet. But yeah. So it's almost the end of the video, but I got a little spoiler for you at the end. You'll see. Well, I was just kidding about the specialty at the end of the video, because this thing's got a new engine and it won't start. So I'm scared if I blew it up again for not breaking it in properly or something. But if this video gets 30K likes, I will put a turbo on this truck. Now, I know what you're thinking. A lot of likes for my YouTube channel, but it would be really hard to put a turbo on this truck without my dad knowing about it. So that's why I said 30K likes. I was thinking 100K, but I'm gonna go easy and do 30K. So yeah. Just kidding again. I got this thing running. It's a 2-stroke, so it sucks. But it's better than having no 4-wheeler. I really like it. Just prefer 4-stroke. See if you can get that hearing in there. Yeah, she sounds okay. Let's back it up. Woo! See if we can get turned. Get out of here. Woo! Oh, I hit the tractor. I'm not a professional, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.